Look here, center.
Race today.
In English, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a good race, a solid race. I didn't crash, and it was a nice run for me. I didn't know how fast I am because I didn't race since the World, so I was unsure about my shape, but might be not too bad.
You beat Kaprat, Florian. So what do you feel? Maybe this best achievement from you?
This year I didn't had a good season, so it's actually the first race I won this year.
Okay.
So I'm quite happy I don't have to end the season without the win. And yeah, it's nice to end the season in Langkawi. It's a nice island, nice weather and nice people. So I'm looking forward to a week of some exciting racing.
So tomorrow is a different stage. How you approach to the stage 1?
Yeah, I don't know the stage. I haven't seen the course, so it will be quite tough for me to defend the leader jersey. But I will try, and I will try to keep it until the end. That's my goal, and yeah, we'll see how it works out. I might maybe save some energy for the really long days, but I will try to stay in the jersey as long as possible.
Right.